Okay, got a good one now. Got a tall style space heater with a heating element. I think it's a positive thermal something, PTC heater. Anyway, last time it gave me a little bit of trouble. I had to replace this one plug going onto here, onto the center. It uses two wires for high and low going into the center, and then each one has its own single conductor going into it. So you'll have one for low, two for high. The whole time this one's carrying double the current. So this plug went bad. I replaced it. It's obviously made good contact. No discoloration. It did good. However, now there's a problem with this one. Maybe you could see it wiggle. Okay. There's a rivet that's burned out, and this one's loose. So what I'm going to do is take them off, clean everything up super nice, and bolt it back with sub-miniature bolts. So I have aluminum to steel, and it's riveted. So these are aluminum. I can't solder to it easily, but even if I did, it's probably going to get hot enough that it'd melt the solder anyway, and then I'd still have another problem. So I'm going to clean it and bolt it. I'll have to find some bolts in my little mess of nuts and bolts. So wish me luck. We're going to fix it up. Get some heat. Okay, there's many ways to do that. I'd probably go on the light side. That's real heavy, thick. I'll do it on the light side. Probably take a drill bit and just gouge it out a little bit till it loosens up. But nowadays, I've got a nice little roto tool and a whole bunch of little bits. I'll just find something like that maybe. Ought to work pretty good. So we'll try that. Yeah, focus. Nice focus, huh? Alright. Okay, let's give this a try. Almost got it. There it is. Pop right out. Now straighten this out, clean it real good, get rid of these rivets and clean it real good. Yeah, nice focus. It'll work. I'll bet you it'll work. We're gonna see. Okay, I got them pretty clean. Not too bad. I just gotta find a set of bolts that'll fill the holes. We'll go from there. Okay, found a couple. Just fit the hole. Pretty nice. They're a little longer than what I need, but I think they'll work. I could cut them down if I have to, but I think these will do. They're stainless, I think. They look like it. Well, we'll try them out. Okay, this is what you call sausage fingers. Not too bad. We'll get it in there. I think I will cut them short, but it's not that big of a deal either. That's one. Get the other one. I think I'll put it in the opposite way. And clamp it down. Two directions. There we go. That's my fix. Tighten them up, crank them down. Maybe I'll snip them off, maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It ought to work. Wish me luck. Okay. That's a finished product. Hope it's in focus. Probably isn't. But there you go. Nice and tight. Nice and shiny. Ready to make a connection. Okay, well there you go. There's my connection. Nothing touches anything normally. And hopefully they're all super tight, so they shouldn't get hot. So we'll see what happens. I'll do it again. This thing lasted all last winter and got used pretty heavy, so not too bad. I think these other ones look good. They're not loose or anything. It's just that one, because it's using this conductor for the low and then the high. Okay, so both currents are going through that one connection. It's the way it is. I don't make them, I just fix them. On to the next one. Okay, let's try this out. Sitting at 75. Wow. Look at that fast. She's cranking heat. Woohoo. There we go. 180, 219, 222. It gets pretty warm. Cool, man.